This message was transmitted at the request of the civil authorities. An unknown virus was discovered in Washington, D.C. It's just like the Ebola virus as it contains similar characteristics. The symptoms to this virus include fever, headache, difficulty breathing, shining red eyes, intense stomach bleeding, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, dry eyes, and extreme thirst. If you are experiencing any of the listed symptoms, the best thing to do is call 911 immediately. Transmission of the virus is currently unknown, but the CDC has been alerted about the virus and are looking for answers. Please stay tuned to further updates on this dangerous situation. This message was transmitted at the request of the civil authorities and the Centers for Disease Control. The unknown virus that was discovered in Washington, D.C. now has an official name. The virus is dubbed Madara 30 or Madura virus. This virus is extremely contagious and deadly. This virus has the capability to control a host's brain and provoke a homicidal rage. Onset symptoms of Madura virus include fever, headache, muscle cramps, unable to breathe properly, pneumonia, internal stomach bleeding, vomiting, diarrhea, dizziness, and extreme thirst. If anyone is experiencing these symptoms, get medical help immediately. This virus is 40 times more contagious than COVID-19. Scientists expect this virus to wipe out 85% of humans off the face of the earth should it start spreading globally. Please stay tuned for further updates on this developing situation.
미국에서 보고된 신종 바이러스가 한국에서도 확진자가 발생했습니다. 이 바이러스는 마두라-30이라고 불리며 전염성이 매우 강하고 치명적인 바이러스로 한국 정부와 한국 내 서비스를 향해 급속히 확산되고 있습니다. 이 바이러스의 증상은 다음과 같습니다. 발열, 두통, 발열, 근육 피로, 메스꺼움, 구토, 설사, 복통, 발진, 호흡 곤란, 폐렴, 극심한 갈증, 마두라-30 증상을 보이는 사람은 즉시 병원에 가야 합니다. 바이러스에 감염된 사람은 4시간이 지나면 다른 사람에게 살인적이고 공격적인 성향이 나타나며 극도의 공격성을 유발합니다. 이러한 공격성의 합병증으로는 타인을 공격하거나 해를 입히려는 행위, 폭동, 학습과 관련된 행동 문제 등이 있습니다. 가족 중 누군가 당신에게 공격적인 행동을 한다면 인류의 안전을 위해 처형하세요. 그것이 유일한 생존의 기회입니다.
Il s'agit d'une alerte du gouvernement français. Un virus, baptisé Madara 30, s'est propagé violemment dans toute la pays de France. Le nombre de cas s'élève à 15,000 et le nombre de décès est de 3,475. Et les gens prégnants que ces chiffres n'y maintiennent flèche pendant la nuit. Les premiers symptômes de maladie 30 incluent fièvre, maux de tête, frissons, sensation de tiraillement, nausée, vomissements, douleurs abdominales, convulsions, incapacité à respirer ou à bouger correctement, perte de conscience, vomissements de faim, une sensation de brûlure intense à la tête ou à l'estomac, éruption cutanée et soif extrême. Si vous présentez l'un de ces symptômes, quittez les zones proches d'autres personnes et appelez immédiatement le 911. Les hôpitaux sont pleins, vous devrez donc attendre quelques heures. Si vous ne pouvez pas obtenir de soins médicaux, soit vous êtes mort, soit vous vous transformez en une créature ressemblant à vous. C'est meurtrier et dangereux. Parmi les actes dangereux auxquels vous penserez, citons. Une perte de contrôle du corps, une agressivité extrême. Acte d'extrême violence et acte visant à causer du tort à autrui. Si une personne est atteinte de la maladie de maladie 30 et présente l'un des symptômes énumérés, mettez-les fin immédiatement. Cela vous donnera une autre chance de survie. Restez à l'écoute et restez vigilants car cette situation ne ressemble à rien de ce que l'on a vu dans ce monde.
Civil danger warning. Civil danger warning. This message was transmitted at the request of the civil authorities. This is not a test. Repeat. This is not a test. Our world is coming to an end. The pandemic has beat us. Do not attempt to go outside. The outside world is uninhabitable, and if you spend 5 minutes outside, you will contract Maladie 30. Gather your loved ones and brace for certain death. If you like, go into extreme panic mode. The laws are to be terminated as there is no government employees left. You are on your own now, as the president is confirmed dead. Justin Nolan and his family are in a zombie bunker, and he will be addressing the nation in 25 minutes. Please stay tuned.
Sorry to tell you about this. About a couple of hours ago, I received word that our world, as we know it, is coming to a yet domestic and horrific demise. Thank you for being part of the United States of America, and let alone the United States will be the most awesome country of all. This is the last playing of the national anthem. May God bless us all, and may we find peace in our last moments. So gather your loved ones and pray. The end is near, and this is our last time we will be on this planet. And may we find peace in these moments. Dura 30 has beaten us. This is the last time we'll play the national anthem. May God bless us all. And may we find peace in these last moments. If you want, go into full panic mode. The laws are not permitted anymore, as the world is coming to a yet horrific demise. This is the end of our world. I hope everybody will find peace in these moments. The last human standing on Earth, pray for the high being and repent. During this time, 1 of 3 people will get the virus and die. We're now playing the last moment of the national anthem. Stay tuned.